I've been the president and CEO of a highly regarded global publishing company. That is a fact. I am now on the board of directors of that organization. It is true that I'm on the board of trustees of William Patterson. I'm also on the board of overseers of NYU Stern, where I attended for my MBA in finance. I'm here because in some small way, I'd like to try to make a difference in the lives of your generation. It's as simple as that. That's my motivation. Your generation has access to more information than any other generation in the history of humankind. So, there is no excuse for not being informed. Scenario planning basically accepts the fundamental principle that you cannot predict the future with certainty. So why would you just develop one strategic plan? A lot of companies have one plan. And then if some of their critical assumptions fall apart, guess what? They've got a huge problem. One of the benefits of scenario planning is not to assume there's only one future, but there are many plausible futures. Let me tell you, there were two professors in this place. These guys were both PhDs from NYU. They wrote letters of reference for me. To the best of my knowledge, I'm the first William Patterson graduate back in 1974 to be accepted in a full-time MBA program at NYU Stern. Use your network. Most people are happy to help somebody they respect. Don't forget where you came from. We all have our stories, you know, but don't ever lose sight of what you really want. Take advantage of what you've been given. Don't become a victim. You're in charge of your future. You can do it. It's been good talking with you.